Welcome to my channel Natural Cures. Deodorant has many benefits, especially when used in the summer when sweating increases, and here we will review a set of simple methods for making a natural deodorant. Natural deodorant, effective and easy recipes. While some find that the easiest solution to the problem of sweating in the summer is to use ready-made deodorants, others prefer natural recipes that have less damage. Why do we advise you to make a natural deodorant? Natural deodorant surpasses industrial deodorants in several ways, the most important of which are: natural deodorant is made from natural substances that do not harm the skin, unlike many industrial deodorants that contain high levels of harmful chemicals. Natural deodorant avoids the risks that synthetic deodorant may expose you to, as there are many studies linking the use of industrial deodorants to serious diseases, such as cancer, Alzheimer's. Natural deodorant is inexpensive and can be made with simple household ingredients. Natural deodorant may help control sweating better than synthetic deodorant, and some ingredients that go into making natural deodorants may lighten your armpits and get rid of any darkening in your armpits. Natural deodorant with 3 different recipes. There are many ingredients that you can use to make a natural and effective deodorant. These are some of them. 1. Shea butter and coconut oil. Shea butter has many different skin benefits, so it's no wonder you find it an important ingredient in this recipe. To make a natural deodorant from shea butter, all you need to do is follow the following steps. Prepare the following ingredients: 2 tablespoons of shea butter, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, essential oils to taste, such as lavender, orange, or jasmine. In a pot on the fire put a little water to boil, then place in the middle of the pot a bowl containing a mixture of shea butter and coconut oil, and leave these ingredients on the fire until they dissolve together from the heat of the surrounding water. After the 2 ingredients have completely dissolved, set them aside from the heat, then add the essential oils and baking soda to them, and stir the ingredients well. If you want to speed up the hardening process, you can put it in the fridge for only a few hours. Pour the mixture into an old deodorant can, so it's ready to use anytime you want. You can add starch to this recipe as desired, to increase the consistency of the resulting natural deodorant mixture. 2. Beeswax and vitamin E. The combination of beeswax and vitamin E is an ideal combination for the skin, as it has many different benefits, and the benefit of this mixture is multiplied when you use other healthy ingredients with it. To make a natural deodorant from beeswax and vitamin E, all you need to do is follow the following steps. Prepare the following ingredients: 10 grams of beeswax, 10 grams of almond oil, 20 grams of shea butter, 20 grams of coconut oil, 5 drops of vitamin E, drops of various essential oils. In a water bath over a fire, put the mixture made of shea butter, coconut oil, almond oil and beeswax, and leave it until completely dissolved. Remove the melted mixture from the heat and leave it for a few minutes until it cools, then add vitamin E and essential oils to it, and make sure the ingredients are well mixed. Thus, the resulting mixture is a natural deodorant, and now just pour it into empty deodorant bottles and leave it until it becomes completely firm before you start using it. One of the favorite essential oils that we recommend you use in this recipe is tea tree oil, which is characterized by its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. 3. Clay and coconut oil. You can make a natural and effective deodorant using clay and a combination of natural ingredients. All you need to do is follow the following steps. Prepare the following ingredients: a cup of coconut oil, a cup of beeswax, half a cup of starch, 2 cups of clay, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, drops of tea tree oil and grape oil. In a water bath, dissolve beeswax, coconut oil. Before completely dissolving the ingredients, add starch, baking soda, clay. Keep stirring until the ingredients are dissolved and homogeneous. Take the mixture off the stove, and add the essential oils to it after it cools. Pour the mixture into an old deodorant can and put it in the fridge for just a few hours, until it hardens and hardens. It is worth noting here that the natural deodorant that was manufactured by following previous recipes does not need to be stored in the refrigerator, as it is not perishable. Please subscribe and likes and commenter.